Welcome back to the vlog, guys. RyFips here. This is our ho 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 Christmas special, and I had a little bit of a secret that I've been holding from Lil Model Paige. Me and the guys at August Motors, we've bought her a brand new car. They help facilitate finding the car for me, and we are actually trading in her 350Z, but she has no idea that we're doing it. So to get her to drive her car down to the dealership, I've told her that she needs to get winter tires on her 350. She is very upset about this because she does not want to drive her sports car in winter, but guess what? There's no other option. I got the truck, she's got to drive her car, so we're getting winter tires installed. So we're gonna get her down to the dealership, and yeah, we're gonna surprise her with a brand new car. So let's go. All right, for winter, I get to drive the Jeep Gladiator truck, and Lil Model Paige gets to drive.
Here's me driving the 350, you guys. I've never driven it in the winter.
It's the perfect winter car.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we're going to put some winter tires on it, and then it'll be great.
It's not gonna be. It'll be fun, but it's not good for my little baby.
If it's sunny out, then you can drop the top.
Oh yeah, you guys, check out the sun.
She's got a toque. It's all good.
You don't got a toque,
okay,
exactly.
We're going down to August. We're going to get some tires. Let's go. Let's go. Just get in the car. All right, so we're heading down to August Motors. We're going to get those winter tires put on your car because we need to, because I need to drive the Jeep in winter because I've got deliveries I need to do. I need that truck box, and you just need to commute to the next town, which is 45 minutes away.
Exactly. To the next town, down a highway, a major highway, in the winter.
That's why we're getting winter tires put on.
Okay, it's
dedicated winter tires.
It's a rear wheel sports car going down a highway that's low to the ground. We get a ton of snow here, a ton of ice, and Ryan values my life so much that he rather drive the Jeep truck 5 minutes to work that has studded winter tires, 4-wheel drive, that's a truck that's nice and safe, and wants me to go on the highway in this thing.
Yeah, but we're going to put studded tires on your Nissan, so it'll be perfectly fine.
Okay.
All right, Paige. I want you to tell me your favorite story about your 350 that you have. Because you've had a couple of these cars now. That's how much she likes them.
I have. Want to know why I love them, though? Because my first one was a coupe. I've driven them for 7 years. My first one was a coupe, and I could fit a golf bag in it, an overnight bag, and everything I needed. Me and my girlfriend, we actually did a trip down the Oregon coast, and we had a bag for shoes, we had a bathroom bag for makeup, we had 2 suitcases each. It's a little bit of Tetris, and sometimes you have to pack it individually, so take some things out of bags to make other things fit, but it works. I've never had an issue with not being able to fit things. Sometimes a golf bag goes in the front seat, and more important things go in the trunk. All the junk in the trunk. But I don't know, I love these cars. I could drive it with my eyes closed. They're fun, they're fast.
Please keep your eyes open.
Okay. I do keep my eyes open. And then I did actually drive my last one in winter, and I got...
What?
But not this one. This one's a convertible, so I haven't driven it in winter. I don't want to wreck it. But I drove my last one in winter, and I worked up a really, really, really steep mountain, and I had no problem getting to work. I would actually pass trucks that were in the ditch, which was super funny. I would laugh at them. I don't know. They're just fun cars, and I love this one, and I want to keep it perfect. Who loves 350s? I know I'm not the only one.
Tell me, how long have you owned this car for?
3 years, I think.
3 years?
Yeah.
And I know you love it a ton.
Yes.
But what made you pick a 350 over other cars?
Because I could fit a golf bag in it.
But you can fit a golf bag in an SUV.
Yeah, but I wanted a convertible. I don't have any kids, and I wanted to get the convertible out of my system in case one day I decided to have children and then I couldn't fit them in.
The convertible?
A convertible.
Two-door?
A 2-door convertible. Yeah. I don't think you're allowed to put a baby seat in the front seat.
Sure, why not? I've seen them in front of Lambos.
No, you have not. Maybe in like other countries.
No, I've seen it. It's true. It happens.
Where it's not allowed, people just do it anyways, but it's not safe.
Why is it not safe? That's what baby seats are for.
Because there's a rule about front seats and car seats or something.
No, I don't think so.
Oops. I think so.
I don't think so.
Well, if we have a child, you're not putting it in the front seat of a Lambo until it's old enough.
Are we having a domestic right now?
Yeah. We got the Christmas tree up with not one fight. We get into the car to talk about cars and we get into a fight. Our fights are pretty crazy. That was it.
That's it. Over and done.
Yeah.
I won again.
No, you did not.
Yeah, no, I definitely won. Thanks for coming out to the Paige and RyFips show. All right, we just made it to August Motors. Time to get the tires installed on the Nissan 350. Check it out, boo. Look, another 350.
See, that guy doesn't have winter tires on it.
I don't know, they look pretty nice. What are they, Kumos? No, they are winners. They're winners. Look at that.
No.
Yeah, they are. Look,
Oh,
winter,
snow.
winter right there. They
Okay,
actually
well,
are
you know
winters.
what? He doesn't have a roof to ruin. It's a hard top. He's not going to wreck his roof.
Yeah, whatever. You're just like, come on. Do you want to see your tires? Do you want to see which ones I got for you?
Well, you better have gotten the Nokians.
I got you the best winter tires ever. Are you ready?
the
Are you ready for this?
studded Nokians.
Are you ready? All right, so it's time to reveal your new tires. Are you ready for your new tires?
Why are you making such a big deal about tires?
Well, because they came with a Range Rover.
Shut up. Mom! Oh my god, my mom's in the car. What do you mean?
I bought you new tires, but it came with a Range Rover. It came with a Range Rover. This is your new car.
You bought me a new car.
I bought you a new car.
a new car.
Hey, this is your new car.
A convertible Range Rover.
Yeah, they're pretty rare. They're really cool. What do you think?
God,
What do you
I
think?
love
Look at it.
I don't know what to say.
See?
Oh
It's
my
got a little bow on it
God.
just for you.
Merry Christmas to me.
Merry Christmas, babe.
I'm gonna name her Clover. Clover the Rover, because I'm a lucky girl. Oh my god, I love it. When do I get to take it? It's for winter?
Yeah, it's for winter.
But winter
Yeah, and you're taking it right now. We're getting rid of your 350 and you're getting this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. I don't know what to say. Why? Okay, let's go.
If you'd rather have the Espada, we can do that too.
Holy crap.
Same colors.
No.
Exact same colors.
Yeah, and
white
look how
red.
much sexier this is.
We can chop the top off the Espada too.
No, yeah, just chop it to pieces. All the pieces. And everyone that says I'm ungrateful, I'm entitled to my own opinion. It's an ugly car. I don't care. But anyways, I love this.
Stop it, you.
you guys. Best Christmas present ever. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go all the places topless in this thing. Clover the Rover is her name. I should do some more videos with her in the future. Don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe, because as soon as we hit that 10,000, we're going to take someone for a ride in any of the cars that they choose. And it's going to be hard to make content in Canada over the winter, but we'll try our best. So keep your eye out for some notifications. And I gotta go because I gotta go drive this thing. Tap that subscribe button. How's it going, guys? Today's a good day for me. Obviously not as good of a day for Ryan, because I finally get to give away that Espada shirt that he got me. So I am gonna go through the YouTube comments, pick one of my favorite followers, and ship this off to you. Woo! I will sign it as well. Tags are still on it, so it's basically brand new. You're welcome. All right, let's pick somebody. Let's go with Brady Verhage. Is that how you spell your name or say your name? I don't know. Brady V, it's all yours. Contact me on Instagram and send me your address, and I will send you this shirt. Express delivery. I really want you to get it before Christmas time. So my Christmas gift to you, Brady V.
All right, guys, check it out. We got some brand new merch. This is kind of one-off stuff. My buddy Harold, his company is H Customs, and he makes this really rad, cool stuff. We've given him a little bit of our logos, like the RyFips logo. He custom designed the Lil Model Paige logo, and you can get whatever you want. Whatever car I own, he can make it and put it on a shirt for you, or a hoodie, or whatever. He even does clocks. Like, how cool is that? But if you want some of our stuff, he can make it for you. Links in description below, and yeah, check out all his cool work. He does some really cool stuff.